Today's video topic is, what's the difference between waxing and shaving? Waxing and shaving are two popular methods of hair removal, but they are very different in terms of technique, cost, and effectiveness. In this article, we'll explore the differences between waxing and shaving and help you determine which method might be best for you. What is waxing? Waxing is a method of hair removal that involves applying a layer of wax to the skin and then removing the wax and the hair at the same time. There are two types of waxing: hot waxing and cold waxing. Hot waxing involves melting the wax and applying it to the skin, while cold waxing uses pre-made strips that are applied directly to the skin. Waxing is typically more painful than shaving, but it also lasts longer. The hair is removed from the root, so it takes longer for it to grow back. Waxing can be done at home or at a salon, but it is usually more effective when done by a professional. What is shaving? Shaving is a method of hair removal that involves using a razor to cut the hair at the skin's surface. There are several types of razors available, including disposable razors, electric razors, and safety razors. Shaving is a quick and easy way to remove hair, but it also has some drawbacks. The hair grows back quickly, usually within a few days, and there is a risk of nicks, cuts, and razor burn. Shaving can be done at home with a variety of products including shaving cream, gel, or foam. Which is better, waxing or shaving? The answer to this question depends on several factors, including your pain tolerance, budget, and how long you want the hair to stay gone. Waxing is typically more expensive than shaving, especially if you choose to have it done professionally. It is also more painful, but the results last longer. If you want smooth skin for an extended period, waxing might be the better option. Shaving is cheaper and less painful, but the results don't last as long. It is a good option if you need to remove hair quickly or if you prefer not to endure the pain of waxing. Waxing and shaving are both effective methods of hair removal, but they have different benefits and drawbacks. Waxing is more expensive and more painful, but the results last longer. Shaving is cheaper and less painful, but the hair grows back quickly. Ultimately, the choice between waxing and shaving comes down to personal preference and what works best for your body and lifestyle.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.